Yo, what is up, YouTube? So basically, this is like my first video. Um, actually, like my second video. Doing a trade recap. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So basically, I'm on the ES futures on the 15-minute time frame. Well, this is my 8 a.m. retest breakout strategy. So basically, um, hop on the 15-minute time frame. Sorry, I'm chewing gum right now. Here we go. So here was today. So first, hop on the 15-minute time frame. Mark out the first 8 a.m. candle. So what do I do this morning? Bang! First 8 a.m. candle right here. If you guys can see, right there. There you go. Okay. Um, now that I mark out that zone, okay, and now I'm looking to see which way price breaks out. Okay. So here, what we broke out to the downside. I wait until 9:30 because that's when we get the best chop and the best volatility. So yeah. Um, go to the downside. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame. Market's still moving, obviously. It's 250 right now. So I ideally trade from 8 to 11, and start trading when um from 9:30, right? Because that's when all the volatility comes in. So, um, there we go, marked out, and then I check my weekly. I check the weekly time frame. What's our weekly analysis, right? Are we bullish, bearish? We're in an uptrend, but we got a big bearish candle, so that's something I got to keep in mind. On the daily bias, we're in a bullish trend, but we got some bearish candles. So I'm looking for sells today if I can. Really, I just follow my strategy because I don't really go. I mean, I look at my daily bias, but it's not like the center of my strategy. It is a big part in the weekly just to see where price wants to go. So yeah. All right. So here I hop on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. After I mark out that candle, see where our price is moving. Bang. Yeah, I took this trade at 9:36, so that's straight after 9:30 pretty much cuz look. Sorry. This is when excuse me. This is when all the volatility comes in, right? Where we see all this chop. So, sorry. And I'm looking right where we're going to break out to. Broke out to the downside of this midpoint. I know here we broke out to the upside. We got out of this midpoint, but it's at 8:30. Not the best chop. So, look, if it broke out to the upside and we get a retest, didn't bring up back up to the upside. That's why I wait till 9:30. Plus, this is such bad chop. Like look at that chop compared to that. Like that's why I trade at 9:30. Um, so I don't count that as a breakout of the zone. I count let market do its thing for a couple minutes. Then, bam, what do we get? Breakout to the downside. This fat candle here. Perfect. Just what I want at 9:30. Market open. That's what I expected. What do we get? Retest of that midpoint. Retest of midpoint. What do I do? Immediately enter shorts. Um. Oh wait, my stop loss accidentally got moved. I was at like. What was that? I was at 6, I think. Yeah. There we go. Bang. Um. That up below. Yeah. 6 points. Stop loss at 6 points. Target 18 points. Um. And bang. Enter shorts. What does market do? It dumps. All right. Market dumps. We win that trade, ending with a win on today. Um, and yeah, that's really all my recaps. And I'll definitely do more of these when I win. Also when I lose, right? That's important. To also show you guys what happened. So yeah, that's really my strategy. And Was our daily bias correct? Yes. So overall, our daily bias was correct because what does price do? It dumped to the downside. Caught a really nice trade here. Bang. Swept this low. But candle closed through it, so we continued. Go up eventually because we sweep. For value gap here. Just do some market, replay. See what happened. Oh wait. Barely got hit. Barely got hit. So yeah, that is my trade recap for today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys. Bye.